This demo will walk you through resolving leakage issues with the Tineco iFloor. First, we need to verify whether the issue is with the clean water tank or the dirty water tank. Remove clean water tank to check for any damage. It is recommended to keep the water temperature below 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid damage to the water tank. If the tank is not damaged and the water is at the recommended temperature, then the issue may be with the dirty water tank. Remove the dirty water tank, take out the HEPA and floater, and rinse both with water. In the meantime, use the included 3-in-1 cleaning tool to clean the inside of the dirty water tank under running water. Then take out the brush roller cover and rinse with water. The last step is to uninstall the brush roller to remove hair or debris and rinse with water. Use your hand to rotate the roller drive shaft to ensure that it is rotating normally. Clean the brush roller chamber with a damp cloth and air dry for 24 hours. We highly recommend cleaning the HEPA and floater after every use to avoid bad odors developing.
Tineco